Wagwan bread bins. It's Saturday the 20th of September. September? What month am I in? Wagwan bread bins. It's Saturday the 20th of January. We're at Team Cycles and we've got about 2 hours to get about 5 hours of work done. Let's go. My name's Ben Chapman. I got into cycling when I was 8. My most favourite thing in the world is jumping on a train and just get off and then go ride in that area. It's just the freedom of having a bike and to go anywhere you want. So good morning and welcome back. Yes, today we have got an awful lot to get through, but Foxy's here to help us. Hello Foxy.
Hello.
You're the man today.
Back to ending, I'm the man.
You've got the tools.
Well,
you've got the knowledge.
I'm the knowledge.
So as some of you, or most of you are aware, when it comes to bike maintenance, I am the absolute worst. Today we will be revealing my new Trek Emonda ALR, but first, the Trek Domane, which I currently own, has got an awful lot of work that needs to be done to it. And Foxy has just said that what are my brakes?
Well, in a shot.
Non-existent.
Non-existent. There is nothing.
Nothing left.
Metal on metal.
So we're going to get this bike cleaned up just a little bit, and the first job of the day is to get some new brake pads in here. Foxy's going to show me how to do it. Aren't you, Foxy? Yes. So before cleaning the bike, I want to take the chain off and put the chain into some solution and get that nice and clean. But as you can see, it's snapped. So now I need to go get a new chain. Should that look like that? So the Trek Domane is looking a lot better now, and I think it's time for some new brake pads. As Foxy just said, he doesn't know SRAM, but he's done a very, very good job up to now. Well done, Foxy. Foxy's a good friend to have, as everyone keeps saying in last week's comments. Everyone needs a friend like Foxy. It's true, you do.
You'd be lost without me.
I would be lost without you. So we've got a new chain, new front and back pads, and now we've got something a little bit different. The guys over at Creative Carbon have sent us these beautiful Creative G40 650Bs, and we're going to see if they fit on the Trek Domane. Now remembering the Trek Domane maximum was 40 tyres on 700Cs. This may be a push, but if they go on, it's going to be pretty cool considering that bike is an endurance road bike. So whilst Foxy is building up the 650Bs with discs and everything else that they're going to need, I thought I'd explain what happened when I first got the Trek Domane. The plan was to have one bike that does everything, and up to now it's been absolutely perfect. So I've got two sets of wheels. I've got a set of Scribe wheels, and I've also got up to now just the Bontrager's, which actually came with the bike. Apologies, they are a little bit dirty at the moment. These are the stock wheels that come on the Trek Domane. Anything bigger than a 40 actually rubs on the front derailleur battery block. 40mm gravel tyres on these rims. is as big as you can go. Foxy is currently building up the front wheel. I'm going to get this cassette off the back wheel and get this all cleaned up. So we have set the Trek Domane up on the 650Bs on 47mm tyres. Originally I could only get 40mm tyres on because they rubbed on here, but that was on 700Cs. And Foxy's done a fantastic job. I haven't done a fantastic job. Foxy, come hither.
Yes.
What have I forgotten?
Free hub.
So when these wheels got sent from Australia, from Creative Carbon, the free hub was sent separately, and I forgot to bring it with me today. So we can't actually set the wheels up fully, but we know they fit. What do you think, Fox?
Looks good.
Looks good, doesn't it? And I might need these wheels for a trip that I've got coming up pretty soon. But that's not all. Yes, that's not all. Creative Carbon have kindly sent a road set of wheels, 45s. We know these are going to go on, and these are the wheels that we're going to put on now. So we're going to build these up, and then when I get home, I'll be able to swap all the parts out that I didn't bring today. And just like that, we're back on the road rims. These are absolutely lovely, and it looks like a totally different bike when it's set up on the road wheels. What tyres are we running, Foxy?
Hutchinson Fusion.
Foxy has just said it would look better on tan wall. What's your thoughts? So no bike build video is a bike build video without weighing some bits. So what's the difference between the Creative Carbon rims and the stock Bontrager rims? We're going to find out. Bearing in mind this is the stock Bontrager rim, it hasn't got the rotor on and it hasn't got the cassette on. This weighs 1.2 kilograms. And this being the Creative Carbon 45 with a rotor on, 1.16.
4 grams less.
4 grams less. That's 4 grams faster.
Is it?
I'm 4 grams faster.
Whatever that means.
Stock front rim with no rotor on, 1.13 kilograms. And the new Creative Carbon 45 with a rotor on, 1.07. Quick maths.
It's later.
So that's it pretty much for the Trek Domane for today. The 650Bs fit with 47 mil tyres. We've got new road wheels and it's pretty much ready to go back in the car now. But the moment that everyone's been waiting for, the new build. You haven't even seen it yet, Foxy, have you?
I've seen it now.
Let's go get the new build. And here it is. This is the Trek Emonda ALR in a 52. So around about a year ago, I saw this frame on the Trek Instagram page, and I immediately emailed them asking if this frame was going to be available in the UK, and unfortunately it wasn't, but it is now. And like I said, this is the Trek Emonda Palmares edition. See my little Spanish that I put on that, Palmares. Palmares. Yes, this is the ALR 300 Alpha aluminium frame, and it boasts barely any welds with internal cabling. And if you ask me, it's absolutely beautiful. What do you think, Foxy?
It's lovely.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this frame and forks is currently coming in at a pretty reasonable 1.7 kg. We need some wheels for this bike.
Some wheels.
So, as some of you are aware, I'm going to be giving the hill climb season a go. I don't know how many races I'm going to do. I don't know how many hill climbs I'm going to do. Foxy's laughing behind the camera because he thinks I'm going to do absolutely none. But I promise to do some. Whether this frame be the bike that we do it on or not, I don't know. We're going to build it up over the next couple of weeks. We're going to be getting some parts right now. We're going to be putting the wheels on it that we've just set up. And hopefully it doesn't weigh that much, but we shall see. This is going to be the project over the next 8 to 12 weeks. As Foxy's just pointed out, it also matches my shoes. It's a good looking frame. I'm very happy with this. Once again, as always, a massive thank you to Trek. I messaged them and emailed them again over a year ago, and that's how long it's taken to get this in the UK. And I think it's going to be pretty pretty. Pretty pretty. It's going to be pretty pretty. I was a poet and I didn't know it. Easy things that we can get now, Foxy. Seat post.
Yeah.
Off the top of your head, just looking at it, using your engineering skills, what is the size of the seat post that we need?
27.2.
Unbelievable. No one will ever know that we've already looked. Let's go get a seat post. Making up...
Sorry.
You finished, yeah?
Stopped.
You done it, Foxy?
Sorry.
So, making our way downstairs to the saddles wall, the stem wall, and the seat post wall. The seat post that I want isn't here, but I've just had a thought. The seat post that I've got on the pink bike, the Zip, may fit, so we could take that one off, couldn't we?
Yeah.
We could take that one off.
We could try.
Yeah. Also, I'm going to take this now before they sell out. Zip 60mm stem. Foxy said it's too short. Are you going to cough, Foxy? Just cough. Every time I start a segment, Foxy has a cough.
Oh, man. Sorry.
You alright? You back in the building? Yeah, you used to do it in the army.
Sorry, Sam.
Zip 60mm stem. It's going on. Not now, but it's going on. We could put it on just to hold the forks on instead of sellotape.
Yeah.
£56. Put it in the basket. 160mm stem. Is it too short? Go in the comments. Foxy says it's too short.
Yeah, it is.
One frame, one stem. As Foxy just said, it's a
What?
start.
It's a start, yeah.
It's a start. We're getting there. I really would like everyone's input on this build. If anybody has got a group set that they're selling, whether it be SRAM or Shimano, please let me know. I don't want to build everything purchased from the store, especially not the expensive parts, because this is coming out my own pocket. Yes, I get a little bit of discount from the store, but not an awful lot. So yeah, let's try and make this build as cost effective as possible. We've got some handlebars.
Yes.
We've got some handlebars. Go get the handlebars. Just there. There's a fantastic story about these handlebars, but I don't know if Foxy will want to tell it. So Foxy,
Kindly donated by me.
how many sets of these handlebars do we own between us?
Well, I had 4 sets.
4 sets?
Now I have 1 set, and you have 3 sets.
I have 3 sets.
Yes.
So these handlebars, Foxy, please tell us the story about
Oh,
these
no.
handlebars. Come on, you can.
Go on.
You can. I'll tell it if you don't. Tell the story. Just be honest. No one cares.
Well, nobody does care, but they're on Wiggle for $24.99. So I bought 4 pairs.
And they were priced up wrong.
Priced up wrong.
How much do we think they should have been?
I think they're about 170, 180 quid.
Foxy saw their mistake and took advantage of that and bought 4 sets. And now we all run our bikes on these handlebars. Well, I run 3 bikes, he runs 2. This is the final set?
This is the last set.
The last set.
Bargain.
Thanks, Wiggle.
42.
42,
Carbon
3T.
3T.
And they are going on there. Look, it nearly looks like a bike. We're getting there. We need a lot of stuff.
We don't. We've got wheels, stem, handlebar. We need seat post and group set.
Group set.
And away you go.
So that's about all we can do with this bike at the moment. Like I said, I'm going to start to build it over the next couple of weeks. I'll film absolutely every single part of this. And once again, if anybody's got anything that they feel that I might be able to purchase off of them, especially a group set, then I'm quite open to Shimano or SRAM. Let me know in the comments below. What shall I go, Shimano or SRAM? So, we did it, Foxy.
Did what?
A lot today. What do we do first?
Got here.
Got here.
Cleaned the bike.
Clean the bike.
Cleaned the wheels.
Fit the chain.
Fit the chain.
Why did we fit the chain?
Because you snapped it.
Didn't even know. I don't know how that stayed together, to be quite honest.
Lucky man.
New brakes.
New brake pads. Clean up.
The Domane now is looking absolutely lovely. We have introduced you to the Creative Carbon wheels, which will be probably swapped backwards and forwards between the new build and the Trek Domane.
Check Euros.
We have got an awful lot to think about with the new build. I want to keep it as affordable as possible. Like I said, I do get a little bit of discount with Team Cycles, but if you guys have got any group sets that you're selling, I think it's better to recycle than buy something new. I'm quite happy to go SRAM or Shimano. Thank you to Foxy for doing all of the mechanical work, and thank you for Team Cycles for lending us their space this Saturday afternoon. We're going to leave this video here. We're going to leave this video here. Please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see everyone next week.